viewers, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about order to upsell. When the delivered quantity is greater than the ordered quantity, such a practice is known as order to upsell or upselling. So this practice can be only done if you're using the invoicing policy as ordered quantity. Let's brief this with an example. Imagine a case where a vendor has received an order for one quantity of a product. So the vendor will create an invoice with one quantity and he will also create an invoice for the ordered quantity. And before the delivery of the item, he has received to upsell the quantity, that is to increase the number of quantity in the delivery of the item. So he will create another invoice for the upsell item. So this practice would always allow to increase the sale, which increases the business efficiency. So let's have a chit chat on how to practice the order to upsell in Odoo 17 sales module. So let's see how the upselling scales up a business. So when you just perform an upselling here, you need to keep in mind that the invoicing policy must be ordered quantity. And here I'll be choosing the product type as storable, and you can set the sales price as well as the cost of the product. So here we have just received an order from the customer side browsers for one quantity of microphones. So let's deliver that. So I'm going to create an order. You can just choose new and let's choose the customer side browsers, and you can choose a product which is Rode microphones. As they have just given one quantity of order for the microphones, we are going to set the quantity as 1. And the unit price will be automatically configured here. Now let's confirm the order and let's create the invoice for the customer. And let's confirm that and let's request for the payment. So after reconciliation, the payment will be moving to the bank. Now let's deliver the product. So before delivering the product, they have just made a phone call and told to just increase the quantity from 1 to 3. So let's see how can we do the upselling. So here you know that first the customer side browsers has just demanded for one quantity of microphone, and now they have just scaled the quantity into 3. So you can just set the quantity as 3. Now you can just save this and validate the browsers. Okay. So we have just delivered the 3 quantity. So we know that upselling is a process of delivering the higher quantity than that of the demanded quantity. So we have just delivered 3 quantity to the customer side browsers. Now we have to create an invoice for the upsell quantity. Okay. So in order to get the upselling opportunity, you can just move on to the orders to upsell, where you can find the one that is created, which is Rode microphones. And here you can see that the ordered quantity is actually 1, and we have just delivered 3 quantity because after the confirmation of the invoice, they have given or just scale up the quantity into 3. So now we are going to just create the invoice for the rest of the quantity. So in order to create the invoice, you can just set the quantity into 3 so that we can just create an invoice. Now save this. So as you save this, Odoo will let you to create an invoice for the rest of the quantities, which means the quantities that we have just upsell. So now let me create an invoice, click on create, and here we are going to create a regular invoice. And let's confirm that. And again, we are going to request the payment from the customer. Now let's create it, and after reconciliation, the payment will be moving to the bank. Now when you just back, here you can see that we have just made 1 delivery and we have 2 invoices. This is because we have first created an invoice for the ordered quantity with 1 quantity, and later on the customer has just raised up the quantity from 1 to 3. So we have just received an order to upsell. So the upsell quantity will be also invoiced. That's why we have two invoice over here. Upselling is based on the customer behavior and marketing trends. So hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.